All right, guys, we got 3 tortillas here, and we're gonna roll them on up. We're gonna be making some chorizo and egg burrito muffins. Guys, these are gonna be awesome. I've done these burrito muffins before. It's a new way of doing breakfast burritos. All right, so we got our jumbo muffin tin. I took y'all's advice and got some silicone muffin cups. We'll see how these play out, but I'm willing to give it a shot. So you put your tortilla in there, take your scissors, and just cut it off the top, okay? And it doesn't have to be perfect. We'll fluff those up a little bit, spread them out. You want to make sure there's room in there for the ingredients to kind of get in there. All right, tortillas are done. Get our eggs ready. 4 eggs. These are pretty decent sized eggs, so we don't need more than that. Got my West Coast shake going in. About a half a tablespoon or so. And just get these beaten up real quick. Broken down. Next up, we got some chorizo and some bell peppers. This is pork chorizo. You guys can use beef or soy or whatever you want to use. All I did was just sauteed the bell peppers a little bit and cooked that chorizo all the way through. So let's get that in there. So we got a little pepper jack cheese. Gonna put a healthy handful of that in there. We will be putting more over the top. So if you think it's not cheesy enough right now, don't worry, I got you. And just get this all nice and mixed up. Okay, let's start filling up these cups. We're gonna just take a big spoonful and just put it over the top. Try to keep it actually in the mold. And all we're gonna do is put a little bit more of that pepper jack right on top. I'm hoping these silicone muffin holders or whatever will do the trick. We'll get that cheese cleaned up, but so far so good. All right, team, we're in a 350 oven for about 25 minutes or so. Make sure everything gets nice and cooked through, right? I'll see you in a sec. All right, team, we got these out of the oven. We let them cool down just a little bit. Let's see how these silicone, what the hell are these things called? Look at that. That's what I'm talking about right there. No muss, no fuss. What's up? All right, let me cut into one and get a bite. Y'all, I am so impressed with these. Are they muffin cups? I don't know what the hell the term is, but silicone, these things pop right out. Let's go get a little cross section here. Woo, still hot. There you go. That's what the middle looks like in case you're wondering. All right, now let's get a bite. Y'all, there are so many ways to customize these burrito muffins. Whatever you want to put in there, do the work. Do it for breakfast, do it not for breakfast, whatever, guys. Whatever you do, give these a try. Because, baby, you know they're good.